I don't know if you could take it.
Stop!
You wanna see me naked, naked, naked.
I'm just saying.
I wanna be a baby, baby, baby.
3, 2, 1, action.
So, hello everyone, it's Saudi, and I'm back for yet another video, and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome back to my channel. You guys have seen the title of this video, and I just want to say I cannot. So I don't know if many of you know this, but yes, it's true. COVID has been a bitch, and as a result, some of us have been finding ways to hustle on the side. I'm one of those who have a salon that has been failing for so long now, and then I was introduced to investing by Tommy Bryson and Chris Sain, and I just want to say I am using this opportunity to say I am so grateful to the both of you, Tommy Bryson and Chris Sain. You guys have changed my life.
I'm just saying.
You guys have changed my life forever. I don't even know how to say it other than thank you guys so much, because if it were not for you guys, I would have never known what is called investing. And I just, it's crazy. Tommy Bryson once said you can even start with $1, and it's right, because guys, today I had to make this video and say thank you guys so much. Like Chris Sain will always say, when they do what?
I tell you guys all the time, most times you guys just need a little bit of guidance. We have never needed a hand up or a handout. Typically we just need an opportunity or the right type of exposure. All I did, man, was allow myself to be used as a vessel to show you guys what I knew was already in you. I just know that if you kick it to you the right way, if you give you guys game and information the right way, I know you guys will do the rest.
He wasn't kidding. He said when they chase, you go the other way, and when they're not chasing, go towards it. I have been picking all his picks in these positions, and I must say, as of today, for my both portfolios, the small portfolio and the big portfolio, I have hit 2 milestones I never knew I would ever reach in my entire life. I'm not even kidding with you guys. And I was like, you know what? I've been waiting to do this video for a while, but it happened today. And I was like, oh my god, wait, not just 1 milestone, but 2 in one day. It's like when my other life is going crazy, then this surprises me, and this was meant to be my side hustle. And I just want to say, Chris Sain, I wish I could just kiss you guys and just say thank you guys so much, but yeah, hugs, thank you guys so much, because
top down, let me look in your eyes.
I'm just saying.
I know every second of yours is all mine.
Guys, you know when things are going crazy in your life and you're like, oh my god, what will I do next? You know, where will I get the next bread? Then something just falls on your lap, and I must be frank with you guys, I feel like I'm not even worth it. Yes, and that's because I've struggled so much in my life that I don't feel like I'm good enough or worth it, you know, especially when you have people around you that reminds you about your past all the time, and then this happens and you're like, wait, you mean that's mine? I deserve that? Because you've been told all your life, you know, oh, you see, this is what you got, you know when people beat you down mentally, emotionally, different ways to cripple you and put you somewhere, so that way you always, oh please. And then people like Tommy Bryson and Chris Sain shows you that no, there is more to life than what you've been seeing as your reality. In today's video, guys, when I saw this evening, I just started crying, screaming, crying. I started heckling on the street. I'll just start laughing like a mad person, and you guys know I'm already crazy. So it was like I'll just start laughing and people are staring at me, and in my head I'm like, wait, your net worth just surpassed some of your guests in the salon. Like, what? The power of investing is real, guys. Hairstylist people, I'm telling you guys. In my upcoming videos, I will show you guys the milestones of my portfolio. Guys, I'm not kidding you. I used to, you know, look forward to the weekends like Saturdays and Sundays to be at the salon to do people's hair in order to pay the rent of the salon. But lately, Ever since I started watching Tommy Bryson and Chris Sain and Uncle Larry and Stock Mo, you know, and the Dream Green Show, I'm not kidding you, I don't look forward to Saturdays and Sundays. In fact, I won't say hate them, but I am not a fan of Saturdays and Sundays.
Oh my God.
And that was what was my life as a stylist. Now I don't even want to think about Saturdays and Sundays. I'm like, is it Monday? Is it Monday 3:50 a.m. or is it Monday 9:30 a.m.? That's what I look forward to, and you guys know what I mean. I'm not kidding you guys. Guys, look at my alarm. Guys, you guys know there is a challenge that Chris Sain has, right? That challenge, yes. I just hit mine today. Are you fucking kidding? Like, I'm still in shock. Like, you know when people make you feel like you're not worth it? You know, like, you mean I don't have to date up? So, honey, this is my own sweat. Guys, look at my alarm. Let me show you guys my alarm. 3:50, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 9:30. Like that's I don't look forward to the weekends. I look forward to the weekdays. Like, I love seeing Monday morning, Fridays. I'm not even a fan of Friday after 8 p.m. That's how life has been now for me since October 30th. And I just want to thank Chris Sain and Tommy Bryson, especially you, because you're the reason why I even started with $1. You were the reason who told me that Cash App investing. And it has changed my life so much. And today, after hitting these milestones, guys, if someone had told me I can have such net worth, I'll be like, you're lying. You know, what I see in my dreams and fairy tale is the reality because someone decided to show me the way.
I know. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Why am I crying all over? All you had to do was this. Take it from there. You taught us, Chris Sain, especially with those pics, you taught us how to go fish. I no longer fish in the forest, I fish in the sea now. And I no longer hunt in the sea, I now hunt in the forest. I'm sorry, I'm so grateful, it's not even funny. Guys, you guys know the challenge that Chris Sain had. Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's a milestone today. And the other portfolio, another milestone. Seriously. Anyway, I love you guys so much. And for anyone who is doubting, oh no, I'm not kidding. People are like, oh no, that is it. Oh no, you know, it's real because guys, I have achieved what I didn't achieve in 4 years of being a stylist behind the chair, having my own salon in 2 months. Are you fucking kidding me? Anyway, I'm just here to say thank you guys so much. Thank you, Tommy Bryson. Thank you, Chris Sain. Thank you, Stockmore. Thank you, Uncle Larry. Thank you, The Green Show. Thank you, Moneymaker. Thank you, Something Finance. Like, all of you, I watch, like, I check you guys, and I also do my due diligence. And yes, guys, you just have to teach me AB. I will find A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H to Z. And I think that's why people don't like showing me anything at all. In my real world, they try to stuff me in the corner so that way, because they know once I know A, I am figuring out the rest. So thank you guys so much, because I've been begging people to teach me about investing since 2015. But oh no, you know, just hanging there.
Look, my face is getting so red. Woo!
This ain't no allegedly.
Stop!
So you guys showing me the way, I'm so grateful because my life has changed. Like, and I'm doing this video now because they will say, oh no, it's YouTube. No, honey, look at my subscribers count. You can tell that YouTube is not paying me. So in the near future, when I get to someday maybe 1,000 subscribers, I will be revealing my small portfolio and also my big portfolio. I love you guys so much. I'm Tommy Bryson, fuck you. Chris Sain, fuck you. I love you all so much. Oh, thank you so much. You've changed my life. I'm sorry, you have. I cannot. Guys, I'm no longer just a hairdresser or a hairstylist. I'm not. Yes, I'm looking forward to retirement. And that's because of the power of what you guys introduced to me. Seriously. I can't even thank you guys enough. Like, I can't. All I have to say is that thank you guys so much for showing us the ropes. Because Tesla, I can't. It's real. Don't worry, I'll be showing you guys my portfolio in the future, okay? So you guys can see my small portfolio and the big one. Guys, 6 figures. Not in my wildest dream. How? Bye, guys.
Cause I'm loving myself real good. Did you guys hear that? I'm scared. In a way that you never could.